Hello and welcome to the episode of Linux B, where we are going to see how to install Chrome browser on Linux, preferably Ubuntu Linux. So here we have seen open this website of Google. We can see we have an option to download the Chrome. So we will click it on this button, download Chrome. As we can see here, it asked us to accept some permissions. So because we are going to install it on Ubuntu, we are going to download the .debian file, .deb file. So we'll click on accept and install. So it will go and ask for whether to save it or we can directly install it using the software manager. So here because we just wanted to show how you can install using the command line, so we will save it, this file. So you just have to wait for it to download. So now it already downloaded. So we can see that it has been downloaded into this folder. So let us open this folder. So we can see it has been downloaded into downloads folder. So let's go and install it using the terminal. So we open the terminal into the downloads. Now to install this .deb file using the terminal, you have to type the command called sudo dpkg -i, and then you type the package which you want to install, which in this case it is a Chrome. Now enter it, so it will ask for the password. As we enter the password, so it will go and installing the Chrome browser. We will wait it to get it installed. So basically, yeah, now we can see that it is almost getting installed, and yes, now it got installed. If we want to open the Chrome, so we can see it from here also that it has got installed. Yes, so you can see this got installed. So yeah, now it has got installed on your Ubuntu. So that's it for today. So we can also see that now it can be opened from the terminal using Google Chrome. If you want, yes, now it got opened from the terminal also. Thank you for watching. We'll see it into the next episode.